So just a bit of a quick update on the wagon itself. It's been high built multiple times after we've done all the panel work on it. It is been blocked with blocks now, and now it's basically got dust on it, whatever you want to call it, which is to soft sand it. Really? Certainly I've skipped a lot of the body prep. In all the videos I've done, I've skipped all the body prep. There's no body prep videos at all. You ready, mate? Good? Filming? What does it look like? What angle you got here? Let's get the rest of the car, hey? Like, yeah, like that, yeah. Do you move again?
Yeah, right there.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Welcome back, guys. So we've got Louie here.
Hi.
Louie is our in-house panel beater painter that we got working on the VG project. So I'm going to let her take over and tell you a little bit about what we've actually been doing on the wagon panel-wise.
Panel-wise. So we've been doing it pretty much from start to finish. Sand it back. It's been double primed, double blocked, so it's nice and straight considering how many lines this kind of car has. And today we put powdered guy coat over it, which really sinks into our scratches here. And then we're going to whiz it with 400. So, and then colour will be very, very soon. And
basically, we're getting very close to disassembling the thing and actually painting it. So there's a lot of work in the next, what you guys will see, just it'll be painted, but for us it's going to be days and days and days of work in prepping. They say 90% prep, 10% paint. So there's a lot of prep work in this. There's been months and months and months of work going into this to get it to where we're at.
Yeah, the prep's very, very important. It needs to be dead on, because then your paint, your colour, your clear is going to reflect in your prep work. Your prep work is half-assed, don't even bother painting it.
Literally, literally.
Yeah. So we're going to do our best.
All right, we'll keep you updated as we go. Alrighty, so quick little walk around. Boot's actually in the booth still. It's a little hard to see around. Just going to run with the DA sander over the whole thing, get it literally ready to start painting, then we can disassemble it and just move forward from there. Alright, so a little update on the wagon. now all sanded minus the actual roof. Everything else is all been final prep sanded, or blocked if you want to call it. All needs to be whizzed for final before paint, but we're getting there. Very much getting there. Quite straight. Well, straighter than I envisioned that it would actually come out, so which is good. Loving where we're up to. So a couple of little imperfections and stuff that's been sorted and a few rub throughs, but we'll get that sorted next time. That's where we're at. Amazing. Alright, so just another bit of an update with the panel work. We've been through and fixed all the underside of the bonnet and made it basically right. I've just put down a layer of new cold acid etch again. Covers on the underside of the car and a good product. Just going to mix up some high build primer with some of this HB 4-in-1 high build primer. So we'll lay down 4 coats of that, and then we'll let it set for a week before we wet sand it and do any little repairs if there's any. Get it sorted and go from there, but that's a little bit of an update for today. So all primed up. Kind of ran out a little bit there in that bit for the 4th coat, but 4 layers done. You can set it aside, let it set for the next week or so. Rub it down, paint the inside of it, along with the inside of the tailgate. It's all covered up. Lay some colour, and then we can then do the outsides of them.
About $4.50 each coat. Shall we mention the paint we're using? Yeah.
Alright, so a bit of an update. Bonnet's been painted underneath. The tailgate's actually been painted on the inside as well. Louie's about to paint the outside of this.
Yeah, so just about to get this all up and going. It's been double primed, blocked, completely clean, smooth edges, everything else. So we're about to put down our wet on wet, which seals it, gives us a nice consistent finish. And then we're going to put our green on, the real nice water-based green, top of the line kind of paint.
That one?
Yep. And then we're going to put our clear coat down, a 2K clear coat, nice glossy finish, like we've done with this. We're just going to put it on the top now. So we're using Spies Hecker, a lovely, beautiful, high quality paint, currently used a lot in smash repair and
see the wagon's no longer grey, it's green. So we finished doing the respray on it, and it's It's basically, we're at a starting point to start a bit more fab. I've got to cut the boot floor out, make it so I can put a drop tank in it. I need to cut the firewall out and make it so I can put the, well, basically delete the factory aircon so I can put aftermarket aircon in it. Make it so it's nice and smooth and looks decent. It's aesthetically pleasing. So I'm going to roll it out of the spray booth, go and put it inside on one of the hoists and make a start cutting this thing up. But as you can see, we've got all the insides all painted with Kill Rust black. All the inside of the cargo area and B-pillars and dash and stuff are all painted in the bronzy gold that it was. And then all of the exterior door sills, around all the windows, all of everything are all painted the green. All the panels for the car itself are all painted. Every panel's painted and finished, so finish a bit of fab work, paint the engine bay, fit the engine, put all the panels back on and interior in and wire it and fuel it, and I know there's a lot more work to do, but I want to make it seem like there's not so much. But next step,